Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant graphics driver crashed. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the display adapter section and right click on where graphics card driver and select properties. Make sure you have the device is working properly. After that, select drivers tab and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and select your graphics card driver name. After that select next. After getting this done, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. You just need to close stuff here. You just need to go to search menu and type run, click on open it. In run window you just need to type a percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK to open up. In here you just need to find Valorant folder, double click on it, saved folder, config folder, right click on the crash report client and delete it. Now go back to saved and now double click on the web cache folder. Whatever inside this folder you just need to delete everything guys. Select all and right click on it and delete it. After deleting this, just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the Valorant without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.